yo. Imagine driving down a road and seeing a koala literally trapped in a wall of flames. That's exactly what happened in Australia. This woman didn't freeze or keep driving, she jumped out, wrapped the badly burned koala in her shirt and a blanket, and poured water over it to cool its burns. That's straight up hero energy. She then rushed the little guy to a koala hospital, giving it a real shot at survival. Wildfires have devastated koala habitats, and thousands of these adorable animals have been lost. But moments like this remind us that one person's courage can make all the difference. Real heroes don't always wear capes. Sometimes they just stop, care, and save a life. That's powerful. No cap?